Laila took 5 math tests, each worth a maximum of 100 points. Her score on each test was an integer between 0 and 100. She received the same score on the first 4 tests, and a higher score on the last test. Her average score on the 5 tests was 82. How many values are possible for Laila's score on the last test? A. 4. B. 5. C. 9. D. 10. E. 18. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's call her score on each of the first 4 tests x, and her score on the last test y. Since the average of the 5 tests is 82, the total of all 5 scores is 5 times 82, which is 410. So 4x plus y equals 410. Solving for y, we get y equals 410 minus 4x. Now we use the 2 conditions. First, the last score is higher than the others, so y is greater than x. That means 410 minus 4x is greater than x, which gives x less than 82. Since x is an integer, x is at most 81. Second, every score is at most 100, so y is at most 100. That means 410 minus 4x is at most 100, which gives x at least 77.5. Since x is an integer, x is at least 78, so x can be 78, 79, 80, or 81. Each value of x gives a last score y of 98, 94, 90, or 86. That's 4 possible values for the last test score. So there are 4 possible values for Laila's last test score. The answer is 4.